If your Twitch channel is stuck at low viewers right now, this is going to be one of the most important videos you watch all year. In 2026, Twitch is not about luck, it is not about streaming longer, and it is definitely not about hoping someone randomly finds you in a category with thousands of streamers. Twitch does not push you. You build your own push. Let me explain. When you go live on Twitch, you are placed in a category list. That list is ranked by viewer count. If you have 3 viewers and the person above you has 20 viewers and the person above them has 100, you are buried. No algorithm is coming to save you. So the first thing you need to understand is that Twitch growth starts outside of Twitch. The biggest Twitch channels in 2026 are built on YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and other short-form platforms. Those platforms have discovery engines. Twitch does not. You need to turn your best live moments into short vertical clips. High energy moments, funny reactions, big plays, controversial opinions, post them daily. In every clip, tell viewers exactly where to watch you live. Now, let's talk about your category strategy. If you are streaming in a massive category like Fortnite with thousands of creators, you are invisible unless you already have momentum. Instead, position yourself in a mid-sized category or sub-modes where you can rank higher and browse. Visibility is leverage. Next is stream length. Data shows that streams under 1 hour rarely build consistent growth. 2 to 4 hour streams perform significantly higher because you are discoverable for a longer window. More time live equals more exposure opportunities. Now, here is where most people fail. They think views equal growth. They are wrong. Retention equals growth. If someone clicks your stream and leaves in 30 seconds, your average watch time drops. If they stay 20 minutes, your channel becomes more attractive to Twitch's recommendation panels. So, how do you increase retention? Energy, clarity, conversation. You need to talk consistently. Dead air kills retention. Ask questions, read chat, call viewers by name, make them feel a part of something. Your stream title also matters more than you think. Do not say grinding ranked, say something benefit driven, say something that creates urgency or curiosity. Make people need to click. Your thumbnail and facecam placement matters too. Bright lighting, clear framing, expressive reactions. People click faces, not gameplay alone. Consistency is another major factor. If you stream randomly, viewers cannot build a habit around you. If you stream every night at the same time, you train your audience to show up. Collaborations is also powerful. Streaming with other creators of similar size exposes you to new viewers who are already comfortable watching live content. Finally, focus on building community, not chasing viral spikes. 10 loyal viewers who return every night are more powerful than 100 random viewers who never come back. In 2026, Twitch rewards momentum. Momentum comes from traffic. Traffic comes from short-form content. Retention comes from personality and engagement. You cannot rely on Twitch to grow you. You build the engine, and once the engine starts, everything changes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment your Twitch channel so we can check you out.